Hey everybody, my name is Blain Thomas, coming to you from Violin, New Jersey, and today we're going to talk about how to get your real estate license in the state of New Jersey. Before we get into the steps of how to get your real estate license in the state of New Jersey, there are 3 qualifications we have to talk about first. You have to be 18 years old, you have to graduate high school or have a GED, and you have to be in good standing with the state of New Jersey, including but not limited to a previous conviction or more than 6 months of unpaid child support. Now that we know that we qualify to get our real estate license in the state of New Jersey, let's talk about the steps. Make an appointment with 3 to 5 different brokerage managers. Get a good feel for the environment of the culture in a new brokerage. Becoming a real estate agent means you are no longer an employee. You are now going to become an independent contractor. So the interview process is going to be a little different. While they're interviewing you, you are interviewing them. Is it a place that you can see yourself at for a while? 5, 10 years down the line? Also, a good brokerage will be helping you on your journey to becoming a new real estate agent. Step 2, complete the 75-hour pre-license course and state exam. The 75-hour pre-license course has different options to accommodate for you and your schedule. For example, they have all Saturday classes, all night classes. It really depends on you and your schedule and your availability. The state exam includes 80 general questions about real estate, and about 10% of it being math questions, and 30 questions state specific to New Jersey. 70% is a passing grade. It is scored immediately. In case of failure, don't worry, I got complete faith in you. But in case of failure, you can retake the test within 24 hours. Step 3, submit your score report to the Real Estate Commission. After passing the state exam, they will give you a score report stating that you passed. By now, you should have picked a brokerage that you want to hang your license with. They'll be the ones to submit your score report. While this is being submitted, you will also consent to a criminal background check, which will run you about $160. Step 4, complete the fingerprinting process. This one's the simple one. Make an appointment, show up, pay your $66.05, and your license should be emailed shortly. Congratulations, you are now a New Jersey licensed real estate agent. All your hard work is paid off. Now, as a licensed real estate agent to a future licensed real estate agent, start spreading the word. You want to start spreading the word as soon as you start your journey on becoming a new real estate agent. As those people will tell people, and those people will tell people, and by the time that you actually get your license, you have people ready to do deals with you, whether that's buying or selling. Well, this has been Blain Thomas, and I'll see you guys on the next one.